I've been a member since almost the inception of the company, and it gives me great peace of mind to just jump in the car and not have to worry about the video footage. It's always there. It's always accessible. The people at the home base are excellent about getting the information when I need it. I was involved in an accident back in October, and having that information to share with the police officer on the scene really helped me, and it's probably going to bring me in about $75,000 this year because I had this camera. I highly recommend it to all of you. Put it in your kid's car, put it in your wife's car, put it in anybody that you love, because it's like a guardian angel. It's always there, always watching.